I'm Scott Fitzpatrick. I'm the Chief Financial Officer here at Car Keys Express. You know, everybody in the financial world knows that working directly with a manufacturer makes for a lower price. Because we own the technology, we're able to make a better product available to you at a much lower cost structure. When someone offers a better product at a lower price, you know, the decisions get a lot easier from the financial side. I wish our vendors would bring these kinds of questions across my desk. No one in the country maintains the level of expertise we do with respect to keys. We design and manufacture keys and are able to capitalize on this expertise to provide an efficient and cost-effective solution. Because we manufacture keys, it changes the whole game. The pricing structure we work under is totally different than anybody else in the industry because we've become our own supply chain. We make it easy for you. We have the best products in the industry, we maintain the highest level of expertise related to keys, and we manufacture our own keys. This allows us to maintain the lowest pricing structure in the industry and deliver the value you're looking for. And by the way, because we have the largest, most effective fleet in the industry, we're going to be delivering this value right to your front door. This is an important message to financial decision makers who are considering buying our products and services. Look, I've been in your shoes for a long time and I know what you're looking for. You're looking for a vendor that has a better solution. You want somebody to take a difficult issue off your plate, to make sure their solution allows you to turn your inventory faster and add to your own profitability. You want this vendor to exhibit the kind of presence in the industry that keeps you ahead of technology and changes to the way things are done. You want outstanding products delivered in a way that allows your employees to focus on their areas of expertise. We want all this for less than the price we're paying now. It seems as though we're in the business of keeping these decisions pretty simple.